How to sign out of Signal app. So here is an easy and quick guide on how to sign out of your Signal app. So let's get started. Basically, Signal does not have a traditional sign out button. So to sign out, you actually need to do something else. So here is what you can do in order to sign out of your Signal app. So first of all you have to do is open the Signal app. Now here, as you can see, there is no sign out option available. Simply go back to the home screen and delete the Signal app. So deleting your Signal app will not erase any of your messages, groups and profile information permanently. It will just delete the app. Whenever you feel like you want to use it, you can simply download it again from a Google Play Store or App Store and use it. So that is it. So basically, Signal has no sign out button. So the best option to sign out is to delete your Signal app. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.